Hi YouTube. I wanted to give a review on the Chicago Electric Impact Gun. I'm going to tighten these bolts down, or these lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds and see if she'll take them off pretty easy. As you can see right here, I've got it at 100 foot-pounds. I'm just going to tighten up a couple of lug nuts on here. That one's tight. That one's tight. There we go. Chicago Electric Impact Gun. Just going to take these two off and put them back on. Took them off no problem. Yeah, I've been wanting something like this. I'm tired of using an air compressor and impact, which I have, but you get tired of listening to the air compressor all the time. And this seems like it'll work pretty good. If I hit the button the right way. Drop these back down to 100. So I say the Chicago Electric Impact Gun works for me.